Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get gamma root. This intriguing substance is harvested from the roots of a particular plant species. You'll find these plants flourishing in areas exposed to significant background radiation. The gamma root itself is known for its peculiar property of causing the air around it to gently shift. Understanding its nature is the first step to successfully acquiring and utilizing this valuable material. To locate gamma root, your journey begins by seeking out planets with pronounced radioactive environments. Once there, activate your scanner. It will help you pinpoint the specific plant that yields this resource, often marked with a unique icon. These plants can be quite small and green, sometimes making them a bit challenging to spot amidst the terrain, so keep a keen eye out. Once you've found the plants, harvesting them directly from the wild is straightforward, usually providing about 50 units of gamma root per plant. For a more sustainable supply, you can cultivate it yourself. By using a hydroponics tray, you can grow these plants in virtually any environment, regardless of natural radiation levels. This method ensures a steady and abundant source for your needs. Gamma root serves several important purposes. It is a fundamental ingredient in numerous crafting recipes, allowing you to construct a wide array of items. Additionally, it can be processed and refined into other valuable materials, expanding its utility. Ultimately, this versatile substance is crucial for developing advanced technologies and producing specialized goods, making it a highly sought-after resource.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.